What if I told you you can now build your own AI app which you can use to be generating videos for yourself for free without subscribing to any AI tool, without paying for any AI tool? So if you cannot pay for Grok AI or VO3 or all these AI tools, you can build your own AI tool that you can be using to be generating videos for free. Yes, you can do that. In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to do it from beginning to the end. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because the same method I want to show you right now is the same method I used to generate this video you are seeing right here, and also this video you are seeing. I use that method to generate those videos, and I'm going to share them with you how I use it and generate these videos you just watch right now. So without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Google browser. You can go to your Google Chrome or any of your browser, and you type this thing that is called Oppo Google. As you can see it here, Oppo Google, and you type it. Now this first one that you are seeing here, this first one, it is the one that you click that say oppo.google. As you can see, then you click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you are going to see Google Lab Oppo. This is the AI tool we are going to use to build our own AI tool. We are going to build our own AI tool that we will start using and be generating videos for free, just like Grok. I'm going to show you everything, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you skip a part, you are on your own. So make sure you watch this video to the end. As you can see, this is the AI tool that you can use. It have several things to do with. Now, without wasting much of your time, let me show you how you are going to use it. Now, if you have not signed up, all you have to do is to click on the sign up button up here. Now, you just need your Google account to register. You use your Google account and you register on the account. Now, as you can see, when you register, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Say, welcome to Oppo. You read all these things, you click on continue. Now, after you click on continue, it will bring different type of templates like this. As you can see, you can use anyone, but I will be showing you how you are going to build your own from scratch. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on create new here. Now, when you click on create new, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. And this is why some people mess things up. Some people will just go ahead and put prompt here and tell the AI to start generating videos for them. And that is not how to do it. You have to build your own AI tool. So that it will start generating the video for you. And you have to put the right prompt. So you have to paste a prompt. Now, this prompt I'm using to build this AI tool, I'm going to leave this prompt on my Telegram channel. So if you need the prompt, all you just have to do is just go to my Telegram channel and you are going to see the prompt. Now, this is the prompt. I've pasted the prompt already. This is the prompt. So if you need the prompt, you have to go to my Telegram channel, or you comment in the comment section of this video. Comment, I'm interested, and I'm going to send you the prompt. If you are watching from YouTube, I'm going to send you the prompt if you comment in my comment section of this video, or just go to my Telegram channel. You are going to see the link to my Telegram channel in the description of this video. So you go to my Telegram channel and you are going to see the link. So when you click on the link, it will bring you are going to see the link to my Telegram channel, and the prompt is going to be on my Telegram channel. But if you are watching from Facebook, you can just comment I'm interested, and I'm going to send it to you direct. Or you check my bio, you are going to see the link to my Telegram channel on my bio. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate here. Now, when you click on generate, it will start generating your app for you. And this app, you can use it to start creating videos for yourself for free. Now, it's generating it. So let's give it some minutes so that it's going to generate it for us. But meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. And if you are watching from Facebook, if you have not followed this page, make sure you follow this page right now, so that when next to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's wait for it so that it's going to build our app for us. Now, as you can see, our app has been built successful. Now, this is it here. As you can see, click start to try it, and you click on got it. Now, if you want to start and you start using this AI tool to start creating videos for yourself, now you just build yourself a AI tool. This AI tool is owned by you. Everything is from you. Now, it's just that you use Google to build it. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on start here. As you can see, you click on start. Now, when you click on start, it will bring you to an interface like this. It will say describe your video idea. So as you can see, you can describe your video idea, how you want your video to be. Now I have a prompt. Let me copy my prompt from ChatGPT. This is my prompt. I'll copy everything with the camera movement, everything. So I'll copy everything. After copying, then I'll go back to the AI tool. Then I'll paste my video idea here. You can get your own idea if you want your own video idea. I'll paste it here. Now after pasting everything, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on continue here, and it will ask me to type or upload a response. So if you want to have your own model, as you can see, select the desired video model. So I will just put VEO3 here. VEO3. I'll put VEO3. VEO3. Then the next time I'll click on continue again. It says choose the virtual style. So which one do you want? I want it to be let's put cinematic. Then the next we'll do continue. Select your video duration. So you select your video duration. Let's say 8 seconds. Let's put 8 seconds. You can decide to put 10 seconds, anyone. You put 8 seconds. Then the next thing, you click on continue. And right now, as you can see, it's generating our video for us. In less than 1 minute, it's going to generate our video. And this video, you can upload it to anywhere. In fact, this video comes with sound. It comes with everything. Just the way you are using Grok AI, you can use this AI to build your own AI platform, build your own app, and you'll be generating videos for it for free, without subscribing, without paying for anybody. You don't need to pay anybody to start using this. You can do it by yourself. Now let's wait for our result. Let's give it some minutes, and it's going to generate our result for us. And after it generates our result, I'm also going to show you guys how you can do what we call image to video. If you want to be doing image to video, you can also do that using this same process. You can also do that. Now let's wait for it to complete. Now our result has complete. As you can see, this is the result here. Let me play it for you guys to see. As you can see, this is the result. So after you get your result and you want to download it, all you just have to do is just to click on this 3 dots up here. You click on this 3 dots by the side and you click on download. As you can see, download here, and it's going to be downloaded to your laptop or to your phone. So as you can see, just follow the method I show you right now. Now let me show you how you can create what you call image to video using this simple prompt, using this method. Now let's go back here. We click on, if you want to create a new one again, all you just have to do is just wait. I know you enjoyed this video you are watching right now, but have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, so that when next I drop more videos like this on how you can be using free AI tools to generate videos, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. So hit that subscribe button right now, and let's go back to our video. Just to click on here like this, and you click on start. Now when you click on start, the next thing you are going to do is to ask you to type your upload. So you can just upload image. If you have in reference image, you click on this plus icon. Now let me upload the reference image. So when you click on the plus icon, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. You click on upload from device. So we are going to upload from our laptop. This is the image. Then you click on upload. Now the image has uploaded. Then the next thing we are going to do is to paste our prompt here. We paste our prompt, and the next thing we click on continue, and it will ask us to choose our virtual style. Then I also want it to be, let's say, let me write realistic Nollywood movie. Sorry. Then the next one, we click on continue again. It's telling us to put our duration. Let's put 8 seconds. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. And you click on continue. upload an optional reference image. We have done that again before, but let's re-upload it again. Upload our image. After that, we click on continue, and now it's generating our video. So let's give it some minutes and it's going to generate our video for us. So let's wait, just the way I said at the beginning of this video. If you want me to teach you one-on-one class, how you can do this, build it by yourself, you can let me know. Just check my bio. You are going to see my phone number. You can chat me on WhatsApp on my bio. If you are watching from Facebook, if you check my bio, you are going to see my phone number. You can chat me on WhatsApp and we are going to discuss, and I'm going to show you how you can do it one-on-one class with you. Or if you are watching from YouTube, you can also check my description of this video. You are going to see my Telegram channel, or you chat me on my Telegram and I'm going to respond to you. So I'm going to teach you how you are going to do it one-on-one. So let's wait for it to complete our video. Now our result is ready. This is our result. You will see that it looks like similar to the former one, and that is because I use the same prompt. It's just the image that I upload. As you can see, this is our result. See the result here. So you can decide to download it. All you just have to do is just to click on this three dots again, and you click on download, and it's going to be downloaded to your laptop or to your phone. So this is how you are going to do it. Now, as you can see, a cinematic short film of Nigerian man in a middle 30 seconds. So this is everything you need to know. You can download, as you can see, download the video from here. Also, everything about the video. This is everything. So you can use this AI tool to be generating your video. Build your own AI tool with this method I just show you right now, and you'll be using it to generate videos for yourself. If you want to generate videos, you just click on here about button again, and it will take you to start button, and you start generating again. Mind you, any video you generate, make sure you download it and save it immediately you create the video, because if you immediately you click on restart, you will not be able to see the video again because it's not saving anywhere. But you can use it to be generating videos. So if you want one-on-one class to explain much to you how you can be creating AI videos, you can let me know and I'm going to put you through. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I start drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.